Advance happy birthday to Sir Gypsy Tidalgo, whether it's tomorrow May 6 or May 7. So, in any date, allow me to greet you a very happy birthday in advance kasi baka malimutan ko pa sir no? Sana healthy ka sa birthday mo, more birthdays to come, and sana napakarami pang blessings yung dumating sa buhay mo at sa iyong family. Say my regards to your sister Ma'am Sinet and siyempre kay Teacher Rose. Saka kung ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon, sana mag-grow ka pa sa ginagawa mo. Whether nagtuturo ka or kung ano man yung trabaho mo ngayon. Kasi I have known you to be a teacher. So hindi ko alam kung nagtuturo ka pa ngayon because yung huli kitang makita, that was a long time ago. So, yun. So, napadaan lang. Happy birthday and God bless.